Hello and welcome to HW News. The passage for farm bills in the parliament that have now become farm laws after the assent of the president led to very chaotic scenes last week. On last Sunday, the bills were tabled in Rajya Sabha after it was passed in Lok Sabha. However, as soon as the agriculture minister introduced the bill in the upper house of the parliament, a ruckus broke out with opposition MPs demanding a vote by division, that is, a physical voting. However, the opposition says the Deputy Speaker Harivansh Singh did not listen and went ahead with a voice vote. To oppose this, the opposition MPs, including TMC's Derek O'Brien, Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh and Congress's Rajiv Satav and many others entered the veil. The opposition MPs say that marshals were called in large numbers by the Deputy Speaker to overwhelm the opposition MPs since the government did not have the numbers in Rajya Sabha. The videos from the upper house of the parliament also show Sanjay Singh climbing on top of the secretary's table, chanting slogans in the house, whereas it is alleged that Derek O'Brien tried to tear the rule book and broke the mic of the deputy speaker. The videos also show marshals roughing up with Sanjay Singh. Following the ruckus, the Rajya Sabha was adjourned. However, the controversial farm bills were passed with a voice vote. The next day, Chairman of the House, Venkaiah Naidu, called the incident a very bad day for Rajya Sabha and also condemned the behavior of opposition MPs. He also suspended the 8 MPs and asked them to leave the proceedings immediately. The MPs refused to leave the parliament building and this led to another ruckus and the house was adjourned again. Then the opposition MPs sat in the parliament lawns protesting against the farm laws passage. The protest went on for the entire night. The next day, along with Rajya Sabha MPs, opposition MPs in Lok Sabha as well boycotted the entire remaining monsoon session in support of the protesting MPs. The opposition also carried out a rally inside the parliament premises. Now, to diffuse this friction between the ruling party and the opposition, the deputy speaker, in a rare gesture, tried hands at chai diplomacy, but to no avail. The opposition MPs did not listen. In those 2 days of the opposition boycott, the parliament passed a total of 15 bills. Anyways, a lot of opinions and views were expressed on what happened inside the Rajya Sabha last Sunday. Many were of the opinion that opposition MPs crossed the limits. They should not have done that. And it's general opinion and the least expected thing from our learned MPs that proceedings of the parliament should not be reduced to a circus. Deputy Speaker, who was running the house at that point of time, Harivansh Singh, who became the target of the opposition anger, however justified opting for a voice vote, saying that while making a demand for vote by division, the opposition MPs were not in their chairs. Amid the ruckus in the house, he was heard saying that members have to be in their seats to demand the division. However, according to an Indian Express report, the video footage of the incident shows otherwise. It says that video footage of the day when the deputy chairman extended the sitting when the house was adjourned for 15 minutes shows that at least 2 members, DMK's Tiruchi Shiva and CPM's KK Ragesh, who had moved the statutory resolution, motions and amendments, were in their seats when they demanded a division. So what happened on that day and the timeline as provided by the Indian Express, we are going to tell you in this video. Let's talk about what happened at 1 p.m. Deputy Chairman tells the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, who was replying to discussions on the 2 bills, that it was 1 p.m. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, on the other hand, proposed the extension of the House. Deputy Chairman then asked whether the House was ready to sit till the disposal of the bill. Congress members Anand Sharma, Jairam Ramesh demanded that proceedings should be continued on Monday. They and also Tiruchi Shiva asked the Deputy Chairman to take sense of the House. The Deputy Chairman then said that there is a consensus, that is Aam Sehmati, and asked Narendra Singh Tomar to continue. Now this time members rushed to the well shouting slogans. Now what happens 2 minutes later? Leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad says that if the House is to be extended, that should be done on the basis of consensus. He adds that most political parties are saying that time should not be extended today and tomorrow the minister can reply. Then after 5 minutes, Deputy Chairman begins disposing statutory resolution before the passage of the bill amid slogan shouting by opposition members. He also called CPM's KK Ragesh, who had moved a statutory resolution. He tells an unidentified member in the well to go to his seat in the gallery upstairs. Ragesh, at that point of time, is seated in the gallery. What happens next minute? A minute later, the statutory resolution is negated in a voice vote. He then takes up a motion moved by Ragesh seeking reference of the bill to a select committee. The motion is negated by a voice vote. A minute later, he takes up a motion moved by Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien seeking reference of the bill to the select committee. The motion again is negated by voice vote. A voice can be heard seeking division. Then the audio goes off for a couple of seconds when the deputy chairman says demand for division should be made from this seat. Again, this thing. A minute later, he takes up a motion moved by DMK member Tiruchi Shiva seeking reference of the bill to the select committee. So, 3 members of the parliament had sought that bill should be referred to the select committee. The motion again is negated by voice vote. The visuals at this point of time clearly show that Tiruchi Shiva in his seat with one hand raised demanding division. Meanwhile, Derek O'Brien rushes to the chairman's podium with a copy of the rule book in his hand and shouting, "You cannot do this, what is the rule?" The visuals also show Tiruchi Shiva still in his seat. Then the deputy speaker begins clause by clause consideration of the bill. He takes up amendments moved by Ragesh to clause 2. The visuals show Ragesh in his seat upstairs demanding a division. The amendments were negated in a voice vote again. Next up is visuals show that Ragesh is still sitting in his seat and Tiruchi Shiva is tearing papers from his seat. And then the commotion intensifies in Rajya Sabha. Some unidentified members tries to uproot microphones installed on the chairman's podium in the next clip. Then again the audio goes off and stays off. At 1:26 p.m. the house is adjourned for 15 minutes. Well, but Harivansh Singh also reacted to the report, reiterating his stand. He said that the farm bills were passed on September 20th as per the procedure and the division of votes demanded by the opposition could not be taken up as the house was not in order. He said, as per the rules and practice, in order to have a division, 2 things are essential. Firstly, there should be a demand for division, and equally important is that there should be order in the house. Clarifying his position further, Harivansh Singh said that statutory resolution disapproving the ordinance and the amendment for the reference of the bill to a select committee moved by KK Ragesh were negated by a voice vote by the House at 1:07 p.m. as the member was not in the well of the House and not on his seat in the gallery at that point of time. On Tiruchi Shiva's demand for a division on his amendment for reference of his bill to select committee from his seat at 1:10 p.m., the deputy chairman said the video shows that one member was tearing the rule book and throwing it at me. Harivansh also put out a detailed chronology of events at the time of passage of the farm bills on September 20th. Now, whatever be the case, one thing we are all sure of is this. What happened in Rajya Sabha that day was very shameful. Our MPs, representatives displaying unruly behavior, and while the ruling party completely disregarding opposition's demand isn't how we would want to see our parliament function. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. If you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.